what we're being able to do currently is about between 25 to 30 gigawatts annually, and the hope is that we'll be able to get to 50 gigawatts soon.
Yeah.
And plenty that's happened on that side as far as manufacturing in India is concerned, which has dropped prices significantly when we talk about energy. Mr. Naidu, you wanted to make a comment on what you heard there from Mr. Singh?
No, I entirely agree with Singh. In green energy, green hydrogen, I am very happy to inform India is taking lead. People are talking. Now green hydrogen, they started, they are working. Even one more company, Greenco, they are back and they are having green energy. Now they are going for green hydrogen downstream, ammonia, other areas. Then people will think, where is the market? How to go? There is market. Is it affordable or not? There is another question mark.
Yeah.
So with all these things, what I wanted to impress everybody, originally around 10 years back or maximum 15 years back, solar power 15 rupees, 16 rupees unit, prohibitive cost. Then nobody used to talk about it. Around again 2014, we thought innovative ways. How to reduce the cost, go for scaling. Then we have gone in a big way, solar, wind, all these things. Around 2018, I announced unit cost will come down around 1 rupee 50 paisa to 2 rupees. Today, around 2 rupees, 2 rupees 30 paisa, 40 paisa, it has come. One story I will tell you.
Yes.
When telecom revolution, at that time I was responsible, I gave Vajpayee ji to go for deregulation of telecommunication sector in India. Then he agreed, he has deregulated, transformed the sector. At that time, ordinary phone, 20,000 rupees. Luxurious. Then I met Dhirubhai Ambani ji. I met him, I told him, technology is fast changing. As on today, news channels are coming. It will go to satellite. From there it is coming. Voice is coming through BSNL lines. Data is coming differently. Tomorrow, convergence is coming. All voice, video, or text, everything will come automatically. If you seek fiber, originally we used to use copper. People used to cut it and melt it and sell. That is more profitable. Now fiber has come. Because of fiber, there is no need to have any raw material. Only we have to ignite little power. Then he started this industry. Then he announced, at that time, $5 billion US. From 20,000 to 2,000 rupees it has come. Drastic reduction in prices because of scaling and technology and manufacturing. That is how green hydrogen is a necessity. There is no other way. But how to reduce cost, how to create ecosystem, it is our duty for innovators to innovate.
Well, how to reduce costs and how to get customers to pay is the other challenge that we have, and that we.
No, that is what I am saying. Sustainability.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Short term, medium term, long term.
Absolutely.